Kumakain ka ba ng kamote? Watch this! Ang kamote or sweet potato ay sagana sa complex carbohydrates. Meron din itong fiber at powerful antioxidants that fuel your body in a healthy way. Isa ito sa mga most nutrient-dense local foods that we often overlook. Ang 100 grams of boiled kamote ay may approximately 90 calories, around 21 grams of complex carbohydrates, 3 grams ng fiber, 1.6 grams ng protein, at 0.1 gram ng fat. It is packed with beta-carotene. Powerful antioxidant ito na nako-convert sa vitamin A para sa ating eye and skin health. Meron din itong vitamin C, potassium, and manganese na tumutulong suportahan ang ating immunity, muscle recovery, and metabolism. Sinusuportahan din ito ang gut health because it is rich in prebiotic fiber. At kapag kumain ka nito, mas matagal ka ring magutom. Kaya naman maaari ding makatulong sa weight management. It also aids in heart health because of its potassium content. Maaari din itong makatulong to stabilize your blood sugar dahil mababa ang glycemic index nito. Best ways to eat kamote? Pwedeng boiled or steamed to preserve its nutrients.